GRA was appointed to manage the retrofit project of 10 diesel rotary units in a major data center in San Francisco, USA. Located in a dense urban setting, these units had to be replaced sequentially without downtime. They adopted lean production planning and deployed VisiLean to streamline their project delivery. The trades diligently started using VisiLean's mobile app, LiveSite, for 5 to 10 minutes a day and became personally committed to achieving their color-coded activities. It became a matter of pride for both senior superintendents and younger project managers to see their work displayed in green and marked as complete. In a matter of weeks, VisiLean helped GRA shorten the installation time. It helped in bringing their weekly PPC up to the 90s as compared to the typical target of 80 to 85%.